Greetings and salutations and welcome back to some more Unreal Engine 4 and my ongoing quest to learn. Yeah, I did a lot of programming in the past. This scripting and blueprinting thing is in my head a lot more difficult than straight programming, but I'm getting the hang of it very rapidly, and that's one good thing about it, is the learning curve on it is not as sharp. Mostly because it's closer to English than, you know, Pascal. Right. So, what have I done? Well, to be honest, not a great deal. I've got this guy here. I've locked the camera, so we only have a certain kind of visage. I've got an AI dude who starts over here and then kind of wanders over to this guard point here and then stops. And most of the AI I've been working on is thank you to some guy called Zoomdepup. So big shout out to him for the cool tutorials. Unfortunately, they were written in 2014, and some things have changed since then. So back to the learning curve, I guess. Anyway. So I've got this guy here, and you know, he sees me and chases me around a little bit. I don't have any animation set up, so when he catches me, he kind of flips out. It's almost like he's trying to hump me. But yeah, that's what I've got so far. It doesn't look impressive. But it's not terrible. You know what? He can't get me on here. Haha! So, what is this all about? Well, yeah, just check out his tutorials, his AI tutorial. It's pretty comprehensive. The first bit is 4, I guess. 4 or 5 early tutorials are the ones that you want to be interested in. As I said, they're a little out of date, so in some bits you're going to get really lost because they've made some changes between then and now. But it's certainly worth checking it out. But yeah, so, you know, I've got the guard character and all the bits, you know, distance to target, set booleans on and off, or set booleans off. I'm resetting a couple of them to off, mostly in here. So, you know, I've got a boolean to say, you know, has the guard controller heard a noise? Set the boolean to true. Oops, one. And, you know, he's heard a noise, go move to, wait, and then reset it. And I'm using the set boolean, which is just a very simple a reset. Actually, this isn't even valid. I can even get rid of that. So, yep, we come in, we execute this, we set the values back to 0, and we jump back out again. That's it. But the reason I decided to do it this way is so I can use the same procedure for hearing noises and seeing things. But yeah, most of this is using his tutorial, and you know, it does really good. The guard walks out to where he's supposed to go, stands there, and reacts to, you know, when he sees me. Of course, the next job is what is the next job anyway? I guess the next job would be prototyping the next kind of AI. Which, well, actually the next job is to go through and watch the rest of the tutorial videos. But, yeah, after that it's prototyping other AI types that I need to create. Missed me! I'm over here, scumbag. He's locked. He can't go too far, so I can always get away from him. I don't like being violently. I don't know what the heck he's doing. He's doing something though. Actually, what I need to do is set up a, when you get to this position, face a specific direction. But that's pretty simple. Anyway, that's it for the moment. A little progress has been made.